remember walking out that comedy down there one day.
What are you doing? Playing with my phone.
I didn't say it. I mean, it was big.
Some videos of yourself. What were you doing on the phone?
Talking.
You were talking? Who were you talking to?
Daddy.
Daddy. It's when he was in Italy, wasn't it? Did a message for him?
Mom.
Just like that.
Becoming my house a couple of weeks ago.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Already. I said, no, I mean,
She's keen as you.
Bye-bye.
yeah.
Seriously, yes, you said to you straight up.
Yeah.